Good morning, YouTube. We are on our way to go pick up my kids from school. Had a half day today. I don't know why. It's friggin' beautiful. It's not like we're getting any snow or anything. Hi, Mini-Me. There he is. So just got my boys from school. Boys, did you have a good day at school today?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I got my toy.
You got a toy?
Yeah. I left it in the car.
Ooh.
Dragon.
What color were you guys in today?
I was in pink. I was on blue.
Well, good job. I'm proud of you boys. Did you learn anything?
Not really. No. It was just a fun day. Yep, because I got to play all day. Tomorrow. I just got to play.
You guys got to play?
Yeah, I got to play with my Beyblade of the dragon.
Yeah? Did you have recess outside today?
No.
No, you were in the gym?
No.
Where were you having recess?
We don't have recess on half days.
Oh, that sucks. So I was gonna stick around the house, explore in the woods, something like that. But I mean, it's such a nice day out, I figured I had to go for a walk. So here I am, downtown Augusta, Maine. It's pretty nice. Figured I'd take you guys along with me on the journey so you can see what it's like in my hometown. I mean, on days like this, you can't just sit at the house. I mean, we've been cooped up in the house for the last few months because as you saw yesterday, winter in Maine is no joke. There is no going outside. Generally, there is no enjoying the outside for too long. You can get frostbite and all kinds of bad stuff can happen to you. So now that we're kind of creeping on into the spring weather, I'm gonna take advantage of it and get outside, spend as much time outside as I can. It gives you a little bit of time to clear your head too. If anything's going on, just spend some time outside, get some fresh air. Really, really heals the soul. And then reality hits. I go check my phone just to see what time it is. Of course, my phone's dead. Since I'm just now realizing my phone's dead, I don't know how long it's been off. My wife's probably been trying to call or text or get in touch with me, and she's probably pretty pissed right about now that I haven't responded. So gotta get headed back to the house, check on her, make sure that she's okay. But yeah, I'll let you guys see what it's like when I get home.
Thanks for ignoring me.
So a couple days ago, I ordered my wife and I a couple things off Amazon. They finally showed up today. A couple accessories from a GoPro, and we'll see what she got. She doesn't know what she got yet.
I better still pop.
What? You?
Ooh, are those my earrings? Yep, and that's your thingies.
Custom gold thumb screws from a GoPro mounts. And what'd you get?
Earrings.
Let's take a look.
See?
Looks pretty cool.
I'm excited.
Now that my wife got her brand new earrings in the mail, she thought that it would be a great idea to pierce her third holes. She already has the first two done. I'm just piercing the third one on each one of the lobes. So that should be interesting. I'll let you guys see how she handles it. See how they turned out.
Looks pretty hot.
Yeah, looks good. So that was my day, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll leave a link to my last vlog down below, and I will see you guys next time.